Hi everyone and welcome back to Perimaskitchen. Today we're going to be making some dosa. The dosa can be savory, you can even have sweet dosa. It's just a pancake and we are doing it the Indian way. You need some milk, some flour, baking powder, about 3 tablespoons of melted butter and salt. I added 1 cup of flour to my bowl, half a teaspoon of baking powder, a cup of milk. We're going to add a cup now and half a cup later, about 3 tablespoons of melted butter, and some fine salt. You can add butter or ghee. Whisk all your ingredients together. And then add another half a cup of milk. You can play around with your dosa recipe. You can add cinnamon powder, nutmeg. If you're making a sweet dosa, you can add some sugar or just add honey to the pancake when you're done. There's so many variety of ways that you can have your dosa. Whisk until you reach a lovely consistency. It's like a liquid but still quite thick, so you can add it to your pan. Add a teaspoon of butter to your hot pan. And don't feel intimidated by your batter or adding your batter to your pan. Get a ladle, scoop a ladle full of batter and pour it into your pan. Your first one is never perfect anyway. And you'll see with dosa, it doesn't really matter. It will just work out. So don't feel intimidated at all. I left this one specifically because I wanted you to see the imperfections and it will still turn out beautifully. Don't worry about that. You can make it as thin as you want, paper thin dosa. You can make it as thick as you want. Obviously the time on each side will differ. If it's paper thin, you don't even have to turn it. Just try it out and see which works for you. So it will be about 2 to 3 minutes on each side, as my dosa is slightly thicker. We like it crispy on the edges. Play around with it and see what you like and what you prefer. I left it on so that you can see the exact timing. I will fast forward the rest of the video, but remember with dosa you can have it for breakfast, lunch or dinner. Any time is a dosa time. So today we're having our dosa with some yellow potato curry. You can have it for breakfast, and with my kids they love it. With some honey or maple syrup or cinnamon sugar and some fruit for a good breakfast. You can use it for a lunch snack. You can add some other curries, paneer. You have so many options. So I flipped my dosa. You will wait another 2 to 3 minutes on the other side. We are going to fast forward this video now. Depending on the size of your dosa, you can make about 6 to 8 dosas. This was okay for a family of 4 with 2 adults and 2 kids. If your dosa is a savory accompaniment to your meal, my suggestion is make your curry first and then make your dosa last, so you serve it nice and hot. Today we are having it with yellow potato curry. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell so you are notified when a new video is uploaded. Like and share, and your comments are very welcome. See you again soon in Perima's kitchen.